everybody, it's Mindy, and I got this box today, and I honestly have no clue what's in it. Absolutely no idea. So let's open it up and see if we can figure out where this comes from and what the heck it is. I don't recall ordering anything that would have come in a box like this. You know, that indicates to me like larger painting type thing. Oh, wow. Okay. This is a surprise. Look who it's from. It's from Mary's Diamonds. I'm totally surprised. I had no clue this was coming. I mean, I did, but I didn't. You know what I mean? They contacted me a little while ago and they said they had some new stuff coming out, some new artists or whatever, new artwork, licensed, and asked me if I wanted to show one on my channel. I have bought a Mary's Diamonds, but it was quite a while ago, and things have changed since I bought one. Like they're poured glue now and all that kind of stuff. And so they sent me one, and here it is. Here's their box. Cute, right? It says Mary's Diamonds. Nice. All wrapped up in plastic. All right. Yeah, that was a surprise. I really didn't have a clue that this would be here. I mean, she'd said a while ago, you know, she asked me to look at stuff and pick out something. And I actually didn't pick out one specific thing. I gave her a couple ideas, things I liked, and they chose. So there you go. So this is exciting, right? Exciting. So let's get into it. All I know is it's MR73163. That's what I know about it. All right. So, have you ordered from Mary's Diamonds? Oh, look it. That's pretty cute. Look at that. It comes with a little ribbon on it even. Huh, cute. Like I said, the first time I ordered from them, I know that they were double-sided adhesive. They were fairly new. So this is going to be a whole different experience for me. All right. Does this say Mary's Diamonds on it too? I think it does. It does. They have a little ribbon with their name on it. How cute is that? Okay. Well, nice. Comes nicely packaged. Okay. Very well protected. It came, you know, wrapped in the black trash bag type thing, and then in a nice box. The box was wrapped. Comes in a bag. Okay. I'm liking it so far. All right. What do I notice first off the bat? It's got a felt back. It's got the soft kind of felt back to it, which I like those. I really do. It's got serged and scalloped edges, so that's going to prevent fraying. I like that. All right. So far, so good, right? All right. Down here at the bottom. Oh, look. If you have suggestions, you can contact them. Give them a message. Talk about your experience. Tag them. Mary's Diamonds on Facebook and Instagram. She contacted me on Instagram. It is poured glue. Okay, look, there's my colors. Okay, I think I know which one it is. Like I said, I let them decide. It's got a fairly thick plastic, which I always appreciate when you have a thicker plastic cover. They don't tear as well. They don't get stuck on your canvas. I've had that happen. Okay, let's roll it backwards because it is poured glue. Yeah, I think I know which picture it is. Like I said, I didn't pick one. I just said, I like this, I like this. You choose. And she sent one along. Or they. I guess it's Mary's Diamonds, I guess. I don't know. Okay. I hope I get information about artists and stuff. Otherwise, I'll have to like pop it in later. So this is the one thing. Here's our drills. Okay, they're pre-bagged. I love that. Okay, so far, everything is clicking on all the boxes, right? Okay, so this is what I remember from the first time I ordered from them is they have this nice big white tray, which I really like. Used to be my favorite tray. Now I have some others, but I like this tray. They have a clear glittery pen with a squishy. There's a 4-placer, and this is probably a 7. It doesn't say. Anyhow, 7 or 9, one of the two. We get some plates of wax. There's 2 there. And they have these gold tweezers, which are pretty cool, right? They're sharp, pointy, and they're gold. That's kind of like their thing, you know, their trademark. All right, so that's their toolkit. Nice little toolkit, right? Okay, we'll look at the drills in a minute. Like I said, they are pre-packaged. They are round. Okay, cool. All right, here at the top, it says Mary's Diamonds with the cute little logo there. Here is our drill field. Okay, wow, can't complain about that. Look at that. Well, you can because it's blurry for you. Let's make it clear. All right, so first thing I noticed, symbols are very clear. There are white lettering on some of the dark symbols. We got dark lettering, so we have, you know, they're going to show up. I don't see anything that looks confusing so far at this point, right? E, a big E, and a small E. They look totally different, not to be confused. Small G. All right, well, let's look at it. Here's our symbol list over here. Okay, let's just unroll it so we can get to it. All right. There it is. Isn't it cute? Super cute. I will have to look up the artist because it is not on here. I'll look up the artist. I'll probably, like, you know, put it here somewhere so you'll know who it is. But they have 47 colors on this. We have a legend on both sides. We have a thumbnail picture over here, right? There's the thumbnail. And the size is a 45 by 70. 47 colors. That's a lot of colors. I thought he was pretty cute, right? He's cute. Lots of color blocking in the background. It'll work up fast. It'll be a quick one because there is a lot of color blocking. Let me zoom you out just a little more so you can get the whole picture. There he is. He's just prowling around, right? I thought it was pretty cute. All right, let's see if it measures 45 by 70 or what do we get here? Let's see. We get 45. Okay, so it looks like it is a true to size canvas. So far, I mean, wow, so far everything is, you know, clicking, all the boxes. It's almost 70. It's like 69 and a half. So it's super close. I would call it true to size, wouldn't you? It's super pretty. Look at it. Nice. Okay, I'm pleased so far. Pleased so far. Okay, let me look at the bottom of the legend. It looks like we've got 4 ABs. Oh my goodness. 4 AB? Wow, that is what that says. You can't read it again. I moved away and now we're blurry. Look, the U, the star, the V, and the arrow are AB. Nice. It's got ABs. Wow. Okay. The V, oh my gosh, the V. Where is the V? I was hoping it looked orange. I was hoping it was going to be in him, but we'll find out in a minute. Let's look at the drills. Here's our kit number is on here. Nice. Okay. All right, you guys. I'm having a good experience here with this. I'm liking it. If I can figure out how to get the drills open, I might like it even better. Oh, come on. Here we go. So if you have purchased in the past, like before the changes, do you notice the differences? What do you think about it? Okay. All right. Here are our drills. Are they in order? I always like to see if they're in order. 1, 2, no, they're not in order. Nope, not in order. Okay, so let's just pull them out and let's look at some. So look at the bag. The bag's, what's it say on it? That one's hard to read. What does it say? Handcraft Wonderful Life. That's what it says. Handcraft Wonderful Life with a diamond and your number. No mistaking what that is, right? All right, so let's just look at colors here real quick. We'll turn this over for a quick second and we'll look at colors. I mean, clearly we know what the colors are going to be. We saw some pinks, purples, tan, more pink. They look, oh, there's an AB. Okay, let's Let's take that one out. Look at those colors. Aren't those pretty? Nice. There's a lot of colors too. I think I see another AB here. Yep, that one. We'll take those out and I'll show you those in a minute. Pretty, right? Very, very pretty. Well, I'm liking it, you guys. I'm liking it. Some dark colors, some more greens. Pretty, pretty oranges. Look at the oranges. Nice. So we got a whole array of oranges and peaches. Here's some more oranges and peaches. Pretty, like, that looks like 154, if I had to guess. So we have all of these peachy orange colors. That's got to be 310. Peach, blue. Look at this. Nice, 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 nice. All right. A tan, white. It's in the peach family. Oh, pretty purples. Missing an AB. Oh, there it is. There's our last AB. All right. I'm just going to lay these out. They look really good, don't they? They look super nice. I mean, can you see those drills? Look at them. Look how nice they look. They look beautiful. Okay. Well, all right. I'm enjoying this. I'm enjoying this. What a surprise, though. I did not expect this. I mean, I had no tracking or no notice that it had even shipped or anything. And just, boom, here it is. She told me it was coming. I just didn't know when. All right, so here's one of our ABs. Look at it. It is a very light peachy color. Looks more tan for you right now, but it really takes on a peach hue. It really does. There, you can kind of see there. It's peachy. Very pretty. Wow, nice. Then we have a couple of greens. We have a light green and a little darker green. So 2 shades of green AB. And then we have this beautiful pink. Not very many of them. I wonder where those go, though. Those are so pretty. It's like a rosy pink. Nice. Okay, well, I see good things. I see, you know, compared to the first one I got, I mean, we got poured glue. I don't honestly, it was like well over a year ago, you guys, when I got a Mary's Diamonds. I love that they have licensed artwork. I love the poured glue. I love the pre-bagged drills that look awesome. They have ABs. I did ask for rounds. I do believe they have squares as well, but I'll get rounds any day if it's an option. I get things in squares if that's the only way they come, and I really love the image, but yeah. Well, let's see, can we find ABs? The U and the star are green. U and star. Okay, so we have some U's in the leaves down here. They're highlighting those leaves, the U's. And there's some over here and some over here in those leaves. All right. I don't see stars yet. I'm looking for stars. I'm looking at green to see if I can find green stars. Da, da, da. Okay, they're eluding me. The stars are eluding me. I can't find them. I'm certain they're here. I'm just not able to find them currently. Oh, okay. The U's are the light green. I'm so sorry. So we have both of the greens in the leaves. Okay, when you see the light green and then the darker green. Okay. V is the pink. Now that's the one I'm thinking is going to be hard to find because there's not very many of them. Maybe up here? Let's see. V. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? Oh, okay. Here on his head, up in here are some V's. I mean, that can't be all of them, can it? I mean, I suppose it can. There's not a lot of pink. That's all I see for now. Maybe we'll find a couple more later, but like there's some sporadic ones in just odd places. Okay, and then the arrow Oh, the arrow. That's cool. Okay, the arrow is here and all throughout the tail, and wherever you see the white, we've got that, because it's not white, remember? It's a peachy color. So in the tiger, where you see white, we'll have the AB. That's awesome. That's cool. And in his eyes, that's nice. So, I mean, there's a pretty good mix of some ABs. We get that peachy color in the tiger. We get some of the greens in these leaves. And the pink is the one that there's just not very much showing up. But anyhow, I mean, I didn't expect ABs at all. You know what I mean? So, nice. Well, okay. What do you guys think? Tell me what you think, right? So far, I love it. It's great. You know, like I said, I will have put the artist's name back at the beginning there, and you can go check them out. So, yeah. Thank you for sending this to me to show. And I think that the improvements are awesome. The poured glue, the pre-bag drills, adding ABs. I mean, you know, it's all looking good, you guys. Looking good. All right. So that's what I have for you today. Surprise, surprise. Surprised me. So yeah, thanks for watching, everybody. And I will link Mary's Diamonds below. I'll link this painting below. I'll find this one. I know it's out. So I'll link it below so that you can go check it out and see what you think. Okay? All right. So until next time, take care. Hit the like button, share, subscribe, come back, see what pops up next. You just never know. All right. I will talk to everybody real soon. I hope you enjoyed this. It's pretty cool. All right. Bye. Just a quick little update I got after I filmed. Mary's Diamonds on July 21st is coming out with, I believe, 50 new designs, which are called budget friendly. They are images that they're licensing through a licensing agent like Shutterstock or other places similar to that. And they will have the same quality of painting. They're just going to be licensed differently, not through artists. So they will be a little less expensive. And they will also start shipping to like 10 new countries on the same date. So keep your eye open for that. They will continue to license artists, and coming in August, they will have some new designs, new artists. So look forward to that. So Mary's Diamonds, they're working hard, folks. This was a really nice kit. Mine came in perfect condition, and yeah, stay tuned. It's kind of exciting to see what they're going to come up with next. All right. Thanks, everybody. I will talk to you later. Bye.